We all start as a single cell that divides and divides and divides. An average human lives through 10 quadrillion cell divisions, and in every division, the cells need to copy the DNA blueprint composed of 46 chromosomes that encodes all the information to make a fully grown human being. When a cell has copied its blueprint completely and ensured that both copies are error-free, the cell starts preparing to divide. Newly copied chromosomes must wait attached until they are all perfectly aligned at the cell division plate. That's when they will be pulled apart by the centrosomes to form two new cells. One unattached or improperly attached centromere will block cell division. Defects in this molecular mechanism will give us two cells with an abnormal chromosome number. These cells are called aneuploid. It turns out that 2 out of 3 cancers have aneuploid cells. We therefore try to understand how these cells behave in comparison to normal cells. But why is aneuploidy so frequently present in cancer cells? Well, let's compare a human cell to a smoothly running machine. When all of a sudden it is presented with a few extra parts, the machine will stutter and eventually halt or run out of control. This is what we think happens to the cell machinery, and thus with cells that are suddenly presented with an extra chromosome, aneuploid cells will become less fit and in many cases stop dividing or even die. Similar problems occur with an aneuploid cell that has less than 46 chromosomes. Some chromosomes encode genes that are more beneficial for cancer cells than others. Such genes are called oncogenes. Conversely, chromosomes also encode genes that help suppress cancer. These genes are called tumor suppressor genes. However, each chromosome encodes thousands of genes, and therefore many oncogenes and tumor suppressor genes. We think that it is the balance between these two that determines how severely the gain or loss of a chromosome affects the fitness of the cell. Whereas gain of a particular chromosome might reduce fitness significantly, gain or loss of another might have a much smaller impact. Either way, aneuploidy has a negative effect on any cell. Let's go back to the machine metaphor. The extra oncogenes provide the machine with extra power, and loss of some tumor suppressor genes takes away some emergency brakes. However, the rest of the machinery is not prepared for these new conditions. Additional adjustments in its blueprint, its DNA,